Right, I've just got back from the UK. I went over to pick up a motorbike that I bought about 8 months ago. I couldn't pick it up till now because of COVID and restrictions, and they've just released us to let us travel aboard. Obviously, we have to have a COVID test on the way back. Right, I'm in my shed, which is getting a bit full at the moment. I've got to make some room, and it's just a mess in here. Anyway, this is the bike I've bought. It's a Suzuki gt250x7, and it's very similar to the one I had when I was 17. Mine didn't have the clocks all moulded into one, the plastic bit. Mine had two separate clocks, and it had different stripes on it. This works. I dropped it off to Dilly Dave in Loughborough, and he got it going, but he did say the tank is full of crap. It's got crud in it. I don't know how long the bike's been without being used, but he started it up when I picked it up, and it sounds sweet. I'm really pleased. The engine seems quite good. There's no horn. That's a little thing. The indicators don't work. I can fiddle about with that, or I can take them off. I don't know what, they're not X7 exhausts, so someone said they're off a Gamma. It's got different rear shocks, but Dave said they're good because they can be rebuilt. Well, oh yeah, it's got, I don't know if you'll see, it's got some bubbling on the tank here, so I don't know if I'll have to give it the old vinegar treatment. I did one of the cars, put vinegar in the tank, came up like new, really good. So if I do that and then see if it leaks afterwards, because it doesn't actually leak at the moment, it's just I don't want to use it. When Dave started it, he had a separate tank and used the fuel from that, but I'm itching to get stuck into it. I've got my daily bike outside through there, which needs fixing, and I'm more excited about doing this. In fact, this I want as my daily bike. I've got I want to use, I love a two-stroke. I love a two-stroke twin. This is the LC. I love this bike, but I don't want to go out and get it wet, and it's too nice. Dave gave this a once over, so that's working sweet now. Everything, he's done everything to it, so it's all good to go. So I will be using that. But this one wants to be, I want to use this all the time, whenever I can. And if it falls over, it's not the end of the world. It's not mint. It's not standard. It's got different bits on it. It's got a belly pan, which I've never seen a belly pan on an X7 before. But I quite like it, so I might leave that. It came with a front fairing, but that was awful. I'm not having that on it. Oh yeah, it's had, I don't know how long that's been off for. So I don't know if water's gone down to the front caliper. I've ordered a new reservoir, not a Suzuki X7 one, because they're expensive. I've ordered a generic one that I used on my other bike, and they work really well. Yeah, I think that's about it. Looking forward to sparking up. So once I've cleaned the tank out, and if it's not leaking, I'll be able to carry it, I'll start riding it. Good stuff. Can't wait. I'll keep you updated. Hey, I'm back again. I'll show you what I've been doing. I've taken the tank off. Wasn't difficult. So now I'm gonna have a quick swill around and get all the what's in it into a bucket, and then stick some vinegar in if I can find some. I did buy quite a bit of it for the car. I had some left over from the car, so let me get that emptied. Right, That's nasty in there. That looks really bad. And the vinegar's already started going green. I don't know why it's green. The fuel that came out was green. But that is nasty. I've never seen anything like that before. It's like it's been underwater. It's like when I used to go diving, what you'd find on the old boats underwater. Anyway, I can get another tank, but you know, they're all 40 years old now. I could line it, but a lot of people say don't bother. I'll try the vinegar, see what happens, and then we can always like pressure test it or whatever. I don't want to be putting fuel in, it leaking. Yeah, fingers crossed. Give that a couple of days, and then have another look and reassess it. I think I might put it outside just in case it does leak and the vinegar comes out. Right, updates as and when. Right, we'll have a look and see if it's got any fuel left in the carbs. Just out of interest. That was sort out in here. Right. No footrest. Beauty, first kick. Nice one. But it's been in the back of the van on the way back from the UK. It's been shaking about, and I'm surprised there's any fuel left in there. So obviously not a lot. Right, let me get this door open. Right, these are the bits that came with it. I've just moved the bike further down because I was getting away. We have had a bit of a disaster here because I put my cup of tea on the top of this box and then knocked it over, so it's starting to leak in. I'm not a lover of these. If anyone's interested, send me a message. Oh, it's like footrest. Rear sets. I'm not a lover of rear sets either. Anyway, rear sets. Ah, I had one of these when I was a kid. In fact, I'll just show you a picture of me when I was 17 in Spotty. Right, handy. All on the internet now, but I'm glad the tea didn't get to that bit. Oh, I did go through a few of them when I was younger, because I did flip it a couple of times, which was sore on the knees. Wow. The tea sounds like it's got something in there. Yeah, swinging arm. That's not a Suzuki one. Well, it is, but not an XL one. I'm guessing, is that a rear one? No idea. Not quite a selection. No idea what that is. Oh, that could be a footrest. That could be another footrest. I'd hope I don't need to use that. Battery. Oh, it's soaked with tea in there. Springs, a couple of springs there. Don't need to till that then. A bracket for something. Battery bracket. Rear shocks with remote reservoirs on them. Don't know what they are. Okay. Bracket somewhere. Another bracket. Ah, yeah, he said he was a powder coater. The guy bought it off, I remember now. It was that long ago. He said he started powder coating bits. Ah, that's why the footrest would have been on. That looks like holds the clocks. Have I got a towel or something? Hang on. Can't really spill a cup of tea on it. Don't know. Maybe something for the ignition. They look nice though. Nicely powder coated. Another one the same. I'm sure if I delve into it a bit, I'll find out where these bits go. An ignition. Oh, it's got a lot of tea in it, that. It's not Suzuki one. What is it? Or is it? I don't know. Anyway. That's footrest. Not an X7 That's a footrest, but not an X7 Bit of fuel pipe. Front brake master cylinder. That's quite a good nick, that. I've rebuilt them before and they just need to not for an X7. Gear lever. Brake lever. That possibly rear set ones. That's for a curtain pull. Blinds around the blinds. Is that toolkit or something? Nicely powder coated. These might be the original X7 ones. Adjustable. I don't know if the Suzuki ones were. Two of them. Cable. No idea what that is. I better keep it. Ooh. And screws and nuts and bolts and hooks and a scraper and this odd shaped banner. Well, I think I can get rid of that box. It's just taking up too much space. These can be stored somewhere. That swing arm looks interesting. Yeah, I didn't realise all this was with it. So bonus. Well, I need the footrests. For the bike doesn't actually have any footrests on it, so I'm quite pleased with the bits and pieces. I presume the batteries. Oh, it's got a battery in it. Might stick that on charge and see. Unlikely, but worth a go. Yeah. The result. Right, so I'll put the tank on the bike rather than leave it outside, and if it leaks, it's just vinegar and rust, so it's not going to do much damage, and I think we can, yeah, it doesn't affect my doors. Right, that's result, getting all that.